This time on Low Boost, we're getting a jet boat. Alright, so we ended up picking up this jet boat, 1996 jet boat. It hasn't run in probably 10 plus years. It had flat tires, so I ended up just getting some Harbor Freight wheels and tires to replace it. And we loaded it up on my dad's truck and bringing it back to his place so we could try to restore this thing and make it look a little bit better. I don't know exactly what's wrong with it. I think the ignition's busted on it. And definitely the carburetors are going to need to get cleaned and probably drain the gas out of it as well, because that stuff's been sitting there forever. But let me know what you guys think, if this is actually going to end up being a decent little project for us. I think we can make it look pretty nice once we're done with it. It needs a really good pressure washing, and you guys will get to see a pretty cool, satisfying video of us doing that as well. But this is what the boat looked like when we got it. There's one of the tires that actually was there, still a spare. The seats are ripped. I think we can replace the seats, though. You can take them off and reupholster them. It's just got some caked on dirt just because it's been sitting for so long. I mean, look at how awful that looks. But I think a pressure washer will make it look 10 times nicer. And it might be a little, boat for us. We might keep it for the rest of the summer. We already have a boat we take the family on. But this actually will go a lot faster. This will go like 60 miles an hour, and you can pull a skier easily on it. But we might sell it when we're done. But it's in the Saratoga area, so enjoy the video and of us cleaning it up, and let us know what you guys think. If you're looking for a great way to support our channel, check out lowboostfilms.com. Not only does this support the channel, but you'll look great while you do it as well. We have a great selection of different types of apparel and merchandise that you guys can buy. I also have a selection of car parts and tools that we've reviewed on the channel that we know work well for sale on there as well at a good price, so make sure you check it out. These actually had twin engines, so you could actually do some pretty cool tricks with these things, but they're twin 750cc Rotax engines. They're basically a jet ski engine with two of them in the boat. So here's us cleaning it up. Look at the difference a little pressure washer makes. This doesn't even look like the same jet boat. Even the trailer looks brand new. I think the thing's going to clean up pretty nice based off of what it looked like before. And this is what it looks like now. I mean, all of the fiberglass looks really nice. We still got a lot to do on the inside, like I said, with the seats. But it's definitely brought it out a lot. We probably can bring back some of the yellow plastic, but take a look at the gas.
Oh, that's nasty.
I got some more parts to order for the boat, and we're going to take the carburetors off and clean them out and then try to actually get the thing started. It also needs a new battery. So make sure you guys stay tuned for updates on this video.